Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most talked about superfoods, chia seeds. These tiny black and white seeds have been gaining popularity in recent years due to their impressive nutritional value and numerous health benefits. In this video, we will dive into everything you need to know about chia seeds and how to incorporate them into your diet. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. These seeds have been used as a food source for thousands of years and were a staple in the diets of the Aztecs and Mayans. They are often referred to as a superfood due to their impressive nutritional profile. Nutritional benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients and are an excellent source of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. In fact, just 1 ounce, 28 grams of chia seeds contains fiber 11 grams, protein 4 grams, fat 9 grams, 5 of which are omega-3s, calcium 18% of the RDI, manganese 30% of the RDI, magnesium 30% of the RDI, phosphorus 27% of the RDI. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. One of the easiest ways to use them is to sprinkle them on top of your favorite foods. They have a mild, nutty flavor and can be added to salads, yogurt, smoothies, and even baked goods. Another popular way to use chia seeds is to make chia seed pudding. To make chia seed pudding, you simply mix chia seeds with milk or a milk alternative and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious pudding that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. When buying chia seeds, make sure to look for organic, non-GMO options. You can find chia seeds at most health food stores or online. One last thing to note is that chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, which means that they can help you feel fuller for longer. One easy way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is to mix them with water and drink it as a pre-workout or post-workout drink. Health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved digestion and gut health, lowered risk of heart disease, lowered blood sugar levels, reduced inflammation, improved bone health, increased energy and metabolism, weight loss. How to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Here are some ways you can use chia seeds. Add them to your smoothies or yogurt for a protein and fiber boost. Use them as an egg substitute in baking recipes. Make chia seed pudding for a healthy dessert. Sprinkle them over your salads or stir-fries. Mix them with water to create a gel-like substance that can be used as a vegan egg substitute. Chia seeds are a true superfood that can provide numerous health benefits when incorporated into your diet. They are easy to use and can be added to many different types of meals and snacks. We hope that this video has helped you understand the nutritional value and benefits of chia seeds and inspires you to add them to your diet. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.